Honestly, the Dolomites stole a large part of my heart. They are a really special place, unlike anywhere else across the Alps. I just love the combination of those elements of culture, cuisine, architecture, the history around the area, and then of course the mountains themselves. They're fantastic. My name is Charlie. I'm a hiking guide for Alpenwild, and I'm originally from a town called Shrewsbury in England, in the UK. Birthplace of Charles Darwin. That's our claim to fame. So it's a good one. I really love my job as a hiking guide. Sure, there has its challenges, but it is a really rewarding job. I love to see people's faces when they pop over that next col and are rewarded with a new vista of whole new views, a whole new valley, a whole new culture, as the case can be in the Dolomites. I love that being a hiking guide is it's a constant learning curve, and you're taking that knowledge, sharing it with your groups, and it's wonderful to see them learning something new, seeing something new, tasting something new, hearing something new. Yeah, I love it.